Are you looking for the best OBD2 scanners? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best OBD2 scanners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. BlueDriver Pro OBD2. The BlueDriver Pro OBD2 comes with mobile app integration, a feature that maximizes the reliability of operations. Even when the app doesn't work in all vehicles, it has proven to be among the best OBD2 scanners in the market. The scanner reads and clears codes, views saved reports, conducts smog checks, gives MIL status, and gives you the car's information. Standing at almost twice as heavy as other OBD2 scanners, the BlueDriver is a less obtrusive and easy-to-install scanner. Its sides are ribbed to allow for an easy grip. The scanner also has an LED light on the side that acts as a status indicator. BlueDriver's Pro Scan app is easy to operate. Setting up the scanner is hassle-free and easier with the mobile app. The BlueDriver Pro OBD2 isn't your typical OBD2 scanner because it uses Bluetooth technology to detect and help fix the problems you experience with your car. Number 2. MOTOPOWER MP69033. The MOTOPOWER OBD2 is a budget option, which explains the popularity among car owners. Moreover, the MOTOPOWER MP69033 OBD2 supports 6 international languages. You don't need any charger or battery for the MOTOPOWER scanner because it uses your car's power, allowing you to save for any other repairs. Moreover, the design is compact, and the device has a pretty easy-to-use interface that will get anyone going quickly. Again, the screen is a clear LCD that displays readable characters. This OBD2 is I/M ready and displays a lot of extra key information from your car, like the load value and information concerning the engine coolant. The MOTOPOWER MP69033 reads and erases codes, checks the MIL fault indicator light, retrieves live data, runs EVAP system and onboard monitor tests, conducts the IM readiness and O2 sensor, runs the view freeze frame and conducts the DDC code lookup. Number 3. FOXWELL NT301 OBD2. The FOXWELL is arguably one of the best OBD2 scanners with a great display. From it, you can read your car's information in a text or graphical form. What's important is that the scanner brings value to the table at a competitive price. The screen allows for data logging along with other numerous specs. The scanner also ensures confirmed repairs as it detects the available car problems, then shows you how to solve the problem, plus a few tips to save money while making repairs. The FOXWELL NT301 is compatible with a range of automobiles. It resets monitors, locates bad O2 sensors, checks emissions readiness status, retrieves VIN and live data, reads DDCs, and is responsible for turning off SIL. Number 4. ANCEL AD310. If you're looking for a moderately priced OBD2 scanner that gets the work done and doesn't want to settle on cheaper options, the ANCEL AD310 is the go-to. From the first glimpse at the scanner, you'll notice its simplicity. A large colored LCD screen displays every piece of information that'll pop up. The ANCEL AD310 scanner reads and erases error codes, retrieves live data, views freeze frame, conducts I/M readiness, and checks your vehicle's information. Even when lower-price scanners can detect only a few error codes, the ANCEL AD310 can detect even manufacturer-specific error codes. Above all, you have numerous supported languages, which you can customize to your liking. On the downside, the scanner only works with cars with 12V batteries. Number 5. Autel MS300. The Maxiscan MS300 is among the best corded scanners in the market. You can't tell how much information you'll receive on the screen at a button press. Its size is also small enough to carry around. The ease of use of the MS300 is one feature that takes drivers and mechanics by storm. At the push of a button, you'll get all the error codes in your engine and tips on how to diagnose them. Moreover, the 2-button design makes navigating, reading, and clearing error codes easy for you. The Autel MS300 will automatically connect to your OBD2 port. The scan tool can communicate with most Asian, European, and US vehicles with the OBD2 port,